Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can apply filters to your camera pictures on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. Then in here tap on the filter button at the top, and then make sure filters are selected at the top here. Next, down here you can swipe across and select a filter that you want to use. So here I can choose Blossom, Ivory, Kiss Me, Grayscale, Black and White, and so on. You can even tap on the Add button and download more filters. So tap on Download, and from here you can go down the list here and select all the filters that you want to use. So we've got roof filters, faded filters, and classic filters, shadow filters, Monastery, palm tree filter. So tap on the download buttons and download the filters that you want to use. After that, tap on the back key. You can also create your own filter as well by tapping on the add button and then tap on create filter. Next, select a photo. And here you can resize the image to select a preferred background, and then tap on done, and then tap on create. And that is how you can create your own filter. And that's it. So select a filter that you want to use, and then tap on the strength down here so you can adjust the filter strength, and then tap on the shoot button. And that's it. So that is how you can apply filters to your camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.